Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share location on Android. It's pretty quick and easy. So first you want to open up Google Maps on your phone. And once that's opened up, you should see a blue dot on your screen. You want to click on that. And you'll be presented with another screen that says your location. And under that would be share your location. Let's click on that. Now on this screen you should see some contacts that you can share with on your list, as well as some applications you can share your location. Now select your application or your contact. Then you'll be able to share your location with others. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.